Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Total Visa card. Now I talked about this video in the past, but I wanted to make an updated video so that I can have it for my blog, Rickita.com. Definitely check it out. That's where I do a review on all the credit cards out there, even if I don't like them. I do a review so that you guys can know kind of like why I don't like them. Now I'm not saying I don't necessarily don't like this one. I do not like the fees on this card, but I do see a lot of people going for this card, and you guys will see an offer in the mail about this card. So I do want you guys to check out the fees on this card. And if you guys were interested in getting this one, I want to tell you guys other options that you guys can look into getting. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys check out my blog, Rickita.com. That's where you can see all the reviews on the different credit cards that's actually out there. But let's go ahead and check out this card. Now, a lot of people like to get this card because they're able to get approved for this card, even if they have very, very bad credit. Again, too, you're going to get offers in the mail. I told you guys to do the factor trust if you guys are trying to do the shopping cart trick. So you probably getting offers in the mail from them, and you're thinking, oh, wow, let me go ahead and get it. Yes, you can get it. You know, it's probably going to be easier for you guys to get this card, but we have to look at the fees. Now, if you guys want to apply for the card, all you have to do is go to the totalcardvisa.com and go ahead and put your information in. They're looking for your first and last name, your email address. I want you to verify your email address. Put your street address in, city, state, and zip code, your phone number, mobile, and your home phone if you have it. You have to have a minimum of one phone number, though. Everybody should have a phone number, though. Do you have an active checking account? Yes or no? And then two, they're saying you authorize the Bank of Missouri to use information for the application. They're allowing you to pick which card that you want to get. So you guys can pick like one of the free designs, and this remind me of Credit One Bank where you guys are able to pick a different design, but you guys are going to have to pay for that additional design, like whatever one you want to pick. Like they have different ones here that you guys can go ahead and pick, but you're going to have to pay the $6.95 to pick a different design. And then you go ahead and click the apply now. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys, like I said too, it's fees that I do not like. And I don't want to act like it's just like the best credit card in the world, because the fees when it come down to credit cards like this, that's going to target people that have bad credit, and a lot of people in the Black community, we should look at these different type of fees. So let's go ahead and check these fees out on this credit card here. So first of all, I haven't seen a lot of credit cards with an interest rate over 29.99%. That's like really rare that you will see a lot of credit cards with an interest rate of 34.99%, basically 35% to me. That is really, really high. So definitely keep that in mind. And then two, the fees on this account. So say if they approve you for $300, your initial available credit is going to be $225. That's because they're going to take out the $75 annual fee off the top. And that's the reason why they most likely want to give you the credit card, because they making so much money from you just having this credit card. Off the top, they have it. And then two, if they just sell this account to a collection company, they're going to get their fees that way. They have a program fee of $89. It's a one-time program fee. I don't know what program y'all gonna be in. I don't know what program y'all gonna be in, but I don't like that fee at all. They have the monthly servicing fee. So for the first year, they're not going to charge you any fee. And that's probably because they're charging you an $89 one-time program fee already. But the second year, they're going to charge you $75 per year. And then they're going to divide it into monthly payments, which is going to be $6.25 per month. Now, like I told you guys, don't run from the video. There's other credit cards out there that you guys can apply for. Let's get into those credit cards now, because I think we kind of seen enough. So for the first year or two, they're not going to charge you a cash advance fee. After that, they're going to charge you $10 or 3% of the amount of the cash advance. Late payment fee, $41. Return payment fee, $41. These are very, very high fees, but let's go ahead and check out other credit cards for people that's looking to build their credit, or if you guys have bad credit, because sometimes you guys just need to get other credit cards than these here. Now, this is my website. I did a video already on the best credit card for those people that's looking to build credit. Sometimes people get that Total Visa card because they want to build credit. And I tell people, if your credit is bad, think about paying, like just pay for a secure credit card. Let them report to the credit bureaus, because a lot of times they're going to graduate, like the Capital One, the Navy Federal, the Discover. Those credit cards are going to graduate to a regular credit card. Yes, you're going to have to put $200 down, all the way to like $2,500, $3,000. You can pick what you want to put down, but they're going to graduate to regular cards. So definitely come and check this out. It's Rickita.com/best credit cards to build credit. I always have a search bar up here, you guys, so you guys can search bad credit or build credit, and you guys will be able to see this link here too. It should be on Rickita.com. You should be able to see it right away. But it's a lot of accounts here that you guys can check out. So you guys can definitely check out the self. Those are deposit cards. You guys gonna have to put a deposit down for that self. Also for the credit builder card, you guys have to put a deposit down on that. If you guys cannot get the next ones I'm going to show you, definitely get these three at the top. These are great ones: that self, the credit builder card, and also this kickoff account. They are all great accounts you guys can definitely look into getting. If you guys were interested in getting that total Visa card, definitely look into getting that Discover Secure card, because like I told you guys, I have this video right here showing you guys how somebody went from $1,000 deposit to $2,500 in credit with them. And I really like that, because you guys will get your money back in about 7 to 8 months. Just make sure you guys are doing what you need to do with that account, and then they're going to report to the credit bureaus, and they don't have an annual fee. They don't have all those unnecessary fees, and then they also give you cash back. Now when it comes out to Discover, I do have my referral. It's like a $50 referral credit, so hopefully you guys can be able to use my referral credit. Definitely check it out, see what they can pre-qualify you for. Check out Tumo, because they're going to look at your bank account. They recently gave me an increase. They probably gave me an increase so I can talk about it more, because I haven't really been talking about them. I don't know. I really don't know. But the Tumo recently gave me an increase, and I probably, because I really didn't use my card, and when I finally did use it, I paid it back. I think I used it for something minor, like $10 or something like that, but they did give me an increase. So definitely check them out. They're going to look at your bank account, look at your banking history to get you approved all the way up to $10,000. Look into that one. The End Rewards, this is another secure card, but you guys can put $200 down on this credit card, and it could graduate. It can graduate all the way up to a $2,000 card. So don't think, I don't want to put a deposit down, I want to just get a credit card. You guys are automatically putting deposit down when you pay that $89 program fee, and that's, what is it, $75 annual fee. You guys are automatically putting that $200 down if you think about it anyway. At least you can get that money back, and you're not paying any fees. When you close that account out, you get your $200 back. When you close some other accounts out, you already out your money. So definitely look into these accounts here. You also have the Capital One secure credit card you guys can check out. Now there's a lot of other accounts here that you guys can definitely check out. These are great credit cards to build credit, but definitely look into the annual fees, because some of these credit cards have annual fees that you guys may want to watch out for. So definitely check out my blog, Rickita.com, and then you guys will see the best credit cards to build credit. And I hope that you guys will just go to secure route and just get y'all a secure card. I know a lot of people don't want to actually get that secure card, but it's going to really help you in the future, because it's going to graduate. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, make sure you guys join my 60 points in 60 days. I am starting a new group. So I have a video to teach you guys exactly how to do it on your own. But if you guys want me to hold your hand and go through the process with you, make sure you guys join my 60 points in 60 days. I have a new group that's starting. I'm going to make sure I start a group every other month or every month. So definitely check to see when I'm going to start. Even if I started a little late, you guys, maybe if you guys are a week behind, I might let you guys in. But definitely looking to starting with my new group. It's actually starting next month. This video is out in December. The next group is starting in January, to be in January. So go ahead, get signed up now, so I can teach you guys how to increase your credit score, so that you guys can work to remove accounts from your credit reports and get approved for more credit cards and more credit accounts. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Hopefully you guys catch me on a live video. I've been kind of busy lately, but I have been posting videos so that you guys can be able to get your questions answered. So go ahead and drop your questions, because I most likely is going to make you a personal video to answer those questions. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.